Sunil sir?
And Parth Kito.
Mr. Parth, please take it forward.
Yeah, good morning all. So it is indeed my pleasure to introduce our today guest speaker, Mr. Udayraj Digambar Prabhune. So Udayraj sir is ICMA from cost accountant and he has 20 years of vast experience and he was with HNG Nashik for 5 years. He was with L&T for 1 year. From 2014 onwards, he is with ABP Induction. We all know ABP Induction is very good company based out of Manju sir. And today Udayraj sir will share his thoughts. Udayraj sir, I would like to ask you to share your thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you, Parth. As Parth has introduced me, and I thank you all BBN members and the guest for giving me a chance to introduce myself. Once again, my name is Udayraj Digambar Prabhune, basically born and brought up in Mumbai. All my educations are completed from Thane. Then I shifted to Nasik for a job purpose. I was in more than 4 years with Innova Rubbers, a well-known company in Nasik. They are in automobile, basically the main vendors to Mahindra and Mahindra and Bajaj Auto. I was worked there as a cost accountant, taking all the costing parameters and everything with Innova Rubbers. Then I joined Larsen and Toubro, that is L&T Limited in Sinnar, Nasik. That is a glass plant. We are manufacturing glass bottles. The huge plant, I will say, it is one of the biggest plant in Asian countries. And the total plot area was 71 acre. And we are manufacturing glass bottles, all soft drinks, hard drinks for that. Uh, there I worked one year, and after L&T has with their own plants, they sold that plant to Hindustan National Glass, and I was continued with the Hindustan National Glass as a head of the accounts department. I worked there more than 5 years with Hindustan National Glass, and then I switched over to ABP Induction in Baroda as a finance controller for ABP Induction Systems. This is a small introduction of myself. Basically, I am a from a finance background, then switching over to commercial side. Now I am handling all financial matters plus commercial, and I am the in charge of Indian entity for ABP as a group. Uh, is there any time limit for that, or because I'm not able to see any watch over there?
No problem, sir. We have sufficient time. Go ahead.
Okay.
I will intimate you.
I like to. Okay. I like to show you one video, our corporate video, so that you will get an idea about our company, our setup, and then I will speak about the things. Can you let me share my screen and with, I will run that video.
Yes, you can share your screen, sir.
Can you able to see my screen?
No.
Hello.
Yes, now it is coming up.
So maybe the system.
Yeah, I think no sound.
Sir, we cannot hear the sound of the video.
Let me check because I am getting the sound. Maybe there's some issues. but there is
No,
only a
you have to-
music.
you can no
just
sir,
see
you can just switch it off and open the window again. When you share, you please optimize video and sound and then re-share it properly. It will come. आवाज भी आएगा. So
एक
close the stop the share, open the window. Then when you share, please.
He's saying only music is there. There are no wordings.
there is no wording. Only music. Music is there. So
Yeah, please continue. No problem.
आवाज नहीं जाता. Just I'm trying that volume also. Give me a second.
सर तिथे शेअर ऑडिओ म्हणून सांगा. स्क्रीन तुमचा जो कॉम्प्युटरचा आहे ना त्याला अलाउड करा शेअर करताना.
So now you are able to hear.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that was our corporate video, and most of the information was included in that. I will take 5 or 10 minutes more to explain about the company. Uh, ABP Induction System is a private limited company formed in 2006. If we see, ABP Group has more than 100 years of history. We built first furnace in 1903. And after that, our group is continuously doing, and over a period, the lot of mergers and all these things has happened. And now ABP Group is under the big umbrella of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, popularly known as MHI, has taken over ABP all over the world in August 2019. And after that, we are a part of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. As far as Indian entity is concerned, this was formed in 2006 and in Baroda. And after that, we are doing business from Manjusa Sauli. All over India, we are supplying from Gujarat only. We have only sales and support offices in Coimbatore and in Raipur. There is a one service engineer is in Kolhapur. Basically, induction furnace. Induction furnace is a melting device, mostly used in foundries and steel industries. Our main customers are Mahindra and Mahindra, then AT India, Federal Mughal. All these are global players, and they're mostly associated with the automobile industries. In Maharashtra, we have Viraj, Viraj Profile Limited, which is a steel manufacturer. Then Zindal Group, properly known as Nalwa. Those are our main customers, and we are supplying to them. If we see, we have three segments. One is induction melting, then heating, and third one is aftermarket service. So in induction melting, we are manufacturing furnace up to 6 tons. And above that, the furnace is manufacturing at Germany or China. We are supplying from there. Basically, more 15 ton of furnace in India, we are supplied to Nalwa and Viraj. And there one more Rangraj Industries in Coimbatore. Then heating, we are supplying heating coils to major rolling mills, but mostly those were in European countries. Our presence in domestic market is very minimal. That is, we are supplying just to Viraj only. Then aftermarket consists of giving services to the furnaces which are in operative in domestic market. If we see last 10 years or more, we have sold around more than 50 furnaces in domestic markets, manufactured from Sauli. This is ABP Induction. Once again, this is a multinational company, and it's a basically a German technology. Our equipments are mostly power saving equipments, long life, and very good safety measures. That's why mostly the global players prefer to have equipment from ABP India. That is our main specialty of our equipments. Basically, we are looking for fabricators which are good fabricators, because our parameters or our design is very stringent, and there are a lot of quality checking parameters also. So that is our main requirement, that we are looking for a good fabricators, a good setup about the fabricators. And once again, we are in equipment manufacturing. So it's basically as and when the customer needs, we are manufacturing the furnaces. We are not making any furnaces for stock purpose, because the value wise the equipment is almost more than a crore rupees investment. Shortly we are going to introduce a small furnaces which is range between 500 kg to 1 ton, and mostly those are plug and play. Normally this is a capital equipment and which needs civil work, good foundation and all these things, but we have developed a new furnace where we can use a plug and play, no complicated systems, only no need of any service engineer to install. So that is one more additions, and it may possible that with this the customers will get much benefited out of this. Thanks from my side. Any things if you required, I can brief you.
Udayraj sir, thank you very much for your presentation, and we actually now know more about ABP induction. Just would like to say a few things on this. Like, as you have noticed, we all are Brahmin entrepreneurs here, and ABP induction is also a company based out of Manjusar Savli. We also serve customer across Baroda and in Manjusar Savli as well. So as you have noticed, we have many vendors over here. Person dealing in water treatment plant, person dealing in air conditioning, person dealing in HVAC, madam dealing in recruitment, fabricator. You already mentioned that you need good quality fabricator as well. So if we as a vendors, as a suppliers would like to get connected with ABP induction, so I also would like to request you to suggest us the way forward and how we can be present ourselves in your company. Do we need to connect to any specific person? That kind of information would really help us.
Yes, for any technical person, we have a technical director, Mr. Urmil Mehta. So he is the main person to connect for the technical things. For example, fabricators, then those are dealing with electrical parts. Someone has said that they are dealing with electrical parts. So that can be possible. And for other things, if anybody requires any other things, they can connect to me also.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, Sunil sir and Date sir, you would like to share your thoughts on.
Today, I think it was a very appropriate presentation by Ajit, and the requirement is straight there. So we are very glad about that, and I'm confident that many others also will get benefited, like Varsha dealing with electrical part, as he mentioned, as well as air conditioning and other as a factory, whatever things are required, including even stationery to anything, people are there, and definitely one should get benefit out of it. By thank you, Udayraj, for coming down and sparing your time for this particular and you listened all of us very peacefully, because this was very uh, almost we are 28 people, so
Yeah.
we would love to get connected with you.
Yes,
Thank you.
definitely. I also like to, because being I was born and brought up in Maharashtra, and all of a sudden I came to Baroda, and त्याच्यानंतर मला कोणाशी बोलायचा हा प्रश्न होता. आता तो प्रश्न बऱ्यापैकी हे झालाय असं म्हणायला हरकत नाही.
No problem. Upon Buluya, we will get connected definitely. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank
sir,
you.
can I ask one question?
Yeah,
Yes.
please.
Sir, have you supplied to Sunbeam Auto Private Limited? That
Yes,
small furnace.
that is in Sunbeam in
because they
Hyderabad. Or?
no, sir. They are on Savli Halol Road, just near to you. And basically, they are the automobile means they are the vendors for Hero Motocorp, and they are having as we are also their registered vendor there. There I have seen this furnaces they are using for the melting of that raw material. So I can get you connected with them because they are
Okay, no
having a lot
issues.
of food plant there.
Yes, yes, please. If you give any references, so that I will ask my salespersons to visit at least once, so that
Sure.
the business or rather the relations can be developed.
The company name is Sunbeam Lightweight Solution Private Limited.
Sunbeam, okay, because we have one customer with Sunbeam in Hyderabad, so I thought that it is
Might be.
same name.
And
Nice.
CMR, sir, have you heard the CMR? Century Metal Recycling. CMR.
Yes, I know. Yes, I heard the name
You can get
CMR.
you connected with the plant head there also.
Okay,
It is
please.
just at the besides of Sunbeam,
Yeah.
near Savli. Okay.
Thank you.
All
Thank you so
right.
much.
Thank you so much, everyone. And I would really thankful to Mr. Prabhune